This is not. Before we get into this video, let me reiterate about things that I've said in the past. People keep bringing this up.
It's about 2 millimeters from the wall.
Very easy to answer a simple question.
It's about 2 millimeters from the wall.
Not be answered on a video in the comment section.
Very strong EMF,
And I did this for many years.
Transmission.
500 word or longer essay basically to explain what I was talking about so that it could not be misunderstood. And it becomes very hard to do that every time somebody asks. So because of that, I began putting sections up on my main video page. Here's a whole playlist, educational videos for newcomers and interested humans, where you can just kind of get the gist of what is going on. There's a playlist totally dedicated to the squat track. And then there's a playlist dedicated to Blue Q, which is, comic relief.
Very strong attack last night. It continues right now. They have, I said many times, the so-called invisible EMF hand. So they can move some of my protections from me when I was, deeply hypnotized. I could not wake up immediately. They have been, feeding, trying hard to feed, the graphene dust to my nostril and mouth. But I'm defending myself.
And people had a hard time digesting this.
See?
This is one of those cases. It is literally to the detail one of these cases.
The joint on my
totally progressed since then.
little finger.
Or even writing letters talking about
it becomes so
This is the woman.
in only about
This is Sarah. I believe it's
2.5 hours
She was 40 years old at the time.
after 2:30 in the morning to 5:30.
Now, when they caught her, she basically
they
said,
can
"I
do
felt
this
the need to be extreme." And then it says,
very rapidly.
MBA graduate is arrested for
So the
randomly stabbing
EMF attack
Toronto drugstore and confessing by email. Now, it's not
is real.
because when you get into the details,
Is real.
all the red flags pop up. Now, here's one of those
See?
motiveless crimes, and it's one of the few times where we have the details of what
Let's
actually
recheck it
happened to
here.
her and what she was doing. Now, this is just
See?
before they started
See?
really hiding this kind of crap. Let me show you what she had wrote people. Now, it states here that 10 minutes before
The wall.
Sarah was arrested, someone using her personal email address sent the message to the national
We don't have to touch it. We don't have to touch it.
confirmed that the email address was authentic. In the message, she also states, "Do you know any top
Yeah.
professionals in artificial intelligence, biotechnology, nanotechnology, satellites, maybe military, maybe government? Something is happening to me,
My bedroom.
my normal self, and I would like to know who and why this is happening. There is either a single person or more responsible,
The perps
and who and why
Right.
would be nice to know."
here
So this woman did not take
around me,
the witch doctor angle and
Around
she was
me.
possessed. She knew exactly
including
what was going on.
correctional
But for
service
whatever
guys.
reason, decided that she